Hey guys, what's going on and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a product review on the Autovox T2 backup camera system. This is their new biggest, baddest, and easiest to install backup camera system that they've ever come out with. So today I'm going to show you guys the differences in between their old system, which is the one that's behind me, and their new system, and then we're going to go ahead and do a performance review on the actual product. Let's go ahead and show you what's inside this box. So guys, let's talk about what you get with the Autovox T2 system, and it is a lot. So far, there's no manufacturer that I'm aware of that gives you this much product for the amount of money that you pay for. I always felt that Autovox always gave you more than you needed, and they made it super easy for you to install any one of their products. So to install this whole system, it is really easy. First, you have all these different adapter rings for a bunch of different cars. This right here is for Toyota, Honda, the CRVs, the Mazdas, that's for all of that. Then this one right here is for Volkswagen, Audi, and then this is for BMW, Jeep, and then this is the good old American Ford, Chevy ones. So that's the adapter rings that go on to here, and which will allow it to click on to your windshield without having to remove the factory plate that is on there. Now, to install this on the truck, it's going to be super simple. All you have to do is hook up the positive 12 volts and the ground to the reverse lamp. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do this, but before I do that, let me just finish explaining the rest of the connections. So from here to there, that's going to hook up to the lamp, and then right here in the middle of the vehicle, you're going to go ahead and plug in your reverse camera into this little box just like that. Now, after you're done plugging that into there, you guys are going to take all of this cable and run it to the front of the truck, and then simply just plug it in just like that, and you're done. That's it. The install is complete. It's that simple. You only have to tap two wires, and that is the 12 volt from the reverse lamp and the ground. It's that simple. And yes, they do give you the taps to do it. They give you the tool to tighten your fittings on there, and they give you the Cam 1 backup camera. Those of you guys that are interested in a full detailed review of this particular camera, click this link right here. So let me go ahead and show you guys how to remove the bolts from here and show you how to tap into the reverse lamp on the truck. Then we're going to finish running all of this, which I will not show you in this video because it would take a little bit of time. But if you guys are interested in seeing how to run this on a Ford, click this link right here and it'll take you straight to a step-by-step install of this system inside a Ford F-150. So the very first thing that you want to do is install the camera behind your license plate. The advantage of this particular camera is it goes directly behind it, as you guys can see, and it uses the same factory bolts to hold it into place. So I'm just going to go ahead and snug that up. And what's very nice about this particular setup is that this is compliant for most of the states in the United States. And what I mean for that is it is illegal in the US, or at least in Florida, to have anything on top of your license plate. Any vanity plate on top of your license plate is illegal in the state of Florida. So this camera is going to work out perfectly as it sits behind it, and it doesn't obstruct the cameras from scanning it or scanning the registration up in the upper right hand corner. Now with it in position, and after I snug it, I'm going to feed the wire back into the truck and down below just like that, and then that's going to clip into our little plug like here right underneath the truck. From there, we're going to go ahead and tap into our positive and our negative in the reverse lamp, which I'm going to do right now. And then we'll feed the rest of the wire all the way to the front of the truck. What we're going to do is open this up, and then we're going to run the black and the red cable, the positive and the negative, to the reverse lamp. That's going to be quick and easy to do, and I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to do. Now guys, for this next step, it's going to be really important that you have somebody else inside the vehicle with their foot on the brake, just to make sure that the car doesn't come back and run you over. Now he's got the truck on in reverse, and it's going to be that bottom bulb. So what we're going to do now is we have our choice. We can use the multimeter and set it on to DC 20 to see which ones are positive and are negative, or you guys can be a lot easier and buy yourselves one of these. This is a simple little tester kit, and the way it works is you're going to go ahead and grab this little cable right here, and you're going to pinch onto a solid metal grounding point. So that's going to be this right there, just like that. And then you guys are going to take this spade tip, and then you guys are going to stab into the wire, and it will light up when it detects that that is the positive, because what it's doing is it's completing the circuit. You have a ground here, so when it gets the positive, a little light bulb will light up. So there you go. In the case of this Ford, it is going to be the green wire that is our positive. And what that means to you guys is this cable right here, the red one, is going to tap into the green one there, and then the ground is going to tap into the other cable right next to it. That's going to be simply done by using the wire taps. The wire taps, the way it's going to work is the cable is going to go in. It's going to go right in through the hole just like that. And then you're going to take this, slide it over the cable, and then you guys are going to press down firmly onto it. So now we're inside the truck. Our installation is almost complete. Just a final thing to do. We got the cable, we ran it behind the airbag, and now it's sitting right here. All we're going to do is grab our reverse mirror. We're going to slide it over the Ford adapter just like that, and then we're going to take the Allen key that they give you. We're going to come right into the middle just like here and tighten it on. You guys just want to make sure it's good and tight. There you go. So that's not going anywhere. The final thing we have to do is just simply plug it in. And now with it plugged in, we can take our decorative trim piece and insert it right over it, just like so. And then it will hide the wire. But in my case, the wire doesn't bother me at all, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it off. Now we're going to go ahead and see how well does the camera system perform that it's fully installed. We're going to go ahead and throw the truck into reverse. And there you go. Check that out. Look at that picture. It is fantastic, and if you really wanted to, you can go on ahead and adjust the brightness as you desire. So let's go ahead and rank this product. First, in terms of style, it looks very factory and very well integrated, so I'm going to go ahead and give it an 8 out of 10. In terms of durability, I've used this product before on multiple other vehicles. While this is a new update for their previous version, it is still the same company, so I'm going to go ahead and give it an 8 out of 10. Features. It doesn't really come loaded with a lot of features. It has some nice ones. The ability to auto dim the mirror, and the backup camera has LED lights on it. So I'm going to go ahead and give it an 8 out of 10 in the feature department. User friendly. This all comes down to who's installing it. If you are familiar with working on your truck and taking it apart, or working on your car, it may be easy. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a 7 out of 10. The price point. Well, it is priced somewhere in the ballpark of $120, so I'm going to go ahead and give it an 8 out of 10 because I feel like they give you a lot for the money you ask, which brings the score to a final score of 39 out of 50. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and give this unit away. If you guys are interested in winning this T2 system, go ahead, tell me in the comments section down below, what is your favorite truck manufacturer? Is it Ford? Is it Chevy? Is it Honda? Please don't say Mercedes because that thing's a joke. But if you guys like that particular truck, go ahead, tell me down in the comment section below. I will pick a winner when we hit 6,000 subscribers, and you guys will win the T2 backup camera system. And those of you guys that don't win, I'm going to go ahead and leave a code in the description below to tell you guys to knock off some money off of your purchase. Go ahead, use that code, get yourself a really good system. And with that being said, guys, take care. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, leave me a thumbs up if this helped you, and subscribe to the channel if this is content that you guys are interested in.